Hello, welcome back to Phat Monkey 404. Today we're building a quick free gift set with a purchase. It's Nova's Doghouse build. This is set number 30697. It has 50 pieces. Let's get cracking. And that's a wrap. Not my normal thing I would do, but it kept me busy for 10 minutes with the new style mini figures instead of what you normally get. It's only about £3.50 if you can get one, but yeah, it kept me busy for a minute. Hope you've enjoyed it. Till next time, adios. If you enjoyed the video, here's 2 more to pick from. Enjoy!